birthday, Chunks. Smile for me, man. It's your birthday. You're not giving me no smiles today, just all seriousness.
That's right.
And candy.
Here she is. Here she is. She's in line. Leah.
Hi, Trevor. Happy birthday.
What are you doing up there? Lily, come, Lily.
Trevor, what's that? Cotton candy? Does it taste good? Yeah, don't eat the paper, just the candy. Trevor, where's my cotton candy?
What do you want?
Trevor, where's mine? Do I get some? Can you want some cotton candy, please? I want some cotton candy. Can I have some? Please? And Chihuahua. No? Thank you. He's like, no. Ain't nobody got time for that. You got your mommy? Nope. There's a lineup. I'm next. Gotta get in line. Ask her who her favorite sister is. Yay! I got my cotton candy! I'm sorry? What happened? Where they do that at? Tell her she has to get it herself. You understand? You're brutal.
Normally he's faster than that, you know? He's stuff like that. I'm beating your toe.
Do it! Do it! Hi, Chunks. Hi. Okay, bye.
I think she wants it.
Morning, guys. I think my camera's dirty. Wait one second. Hold on. Okay, better. So yeah, anyways, good morning, guys. I am... Oh my god. I forgot to take the shit off of my face from the mascara. Oh my god. See what happens when you're in a rush? Okay, well, anyways, guys. I'm going again to do what I did a couple weeks ago. I'm going apartment hunting. Initially, when I went to go look at apartments, I told Marlon that we were moving. I didn't ask. I told him we're moving. Because, like, you know, girls really run the household, but you just let guys think that they do. So, anyways, this is what we're doing, right? But he said that he was fine where he was and that he was not ready to move. 2 twos. He changed his mind. Now he wants to move. So I'm gonna go look at apartments right now. I have 3 to look at today. Hopefully 3. 2 for sure. 1 is walk-in. So I'm gonna take you guys on this journey with me. Oh, wish me luck, please, because I really want to move. Like, really, really want to move. Okay? See you. Okay. And do you guys have like underground parking?
Yes.
Yeah.
65.
65. And for outdoor?
Outdoor 50.
50. Okay.
Altogether 20 floors.
Okay.
3 wings.
Wow.
That's 3 million.
Yeah. And it would be on the
Okay.
What you say, I'm okay. What you say, I'm okay.